welcome to Jacob is the best at stuff. And in this video, please let me do this intro for you can be in it. I want to do my own intro for only one time. But anyways, I can only take my phone in the vicinity of where this charger can reach, because it's slow battery. So
yeah,
I've got to create a video somehow. All right, so the charger, it's pretty long. It's pretty length. I can't get it in frame. It's pretty lengthy. So how far can it actually go into its full extent? I'm just going to put this here. It can go about this far, so it's pretty good. Pretty good. All right, my phone is now plugged in, as you can see from the charger going right here. So yeah, you can now see the charger, and I'm only allowed to film where it goes. So only to about like the entrance of this room. So realistically, I'm only allowed to film in this room attached to my playroom. So
my God.
Let's do this.
Jacob, jump.
Sure. Do it.
Oh my God.
I thought you were going to jump.
No.
Just kidding. Oh. All right. So in order to make this charger friendly, I've got to clear out this entire area to make it more, make it easier for me to move around with the charger.
It gets really bad.
Ow. Ow, that hurt. Fell off of this. Okay, so I'm going to set this. I'm going to take these, and put them over here a bit, because because they're out of the way. Perfecto. All right. So now we can take this. I think this is fine being right here still. So yeah. Also, why are you so bad at filming these? All right, so now we've got to move this table just a tiny bit so it's easier for me to walk around with the charger. Okay. I'm actually going to take this and throw it up there. Where have you gone, Mason? He's just left me. But I'm going to take these chairs, put them over here. This is going to be loud. Oops. I knocked on the picture. This is very loud. And I'm almost done. This is difficult. All right, I've moved it a bit to over here, so now it's easier. Why, Mason?
I spin.
So now it's easier for me to walk around with the charger, and yes, I'll put the table back when we're done filming the video. It's just for filming purposes, okay? All right, so I've moved some of the cable. You're literally playing a video called The Most Annoying Thing Ever. Anyways, what I was saying is I moved around some of the cables, and by that I mean unplugged everything. Don't worry, it was only stuff used for filming. It was only this, okay? And then I put this back up because it fell down. All right. Nope, that doesn't work. All right, so I've got... Nope, that doesn't work either. All right, so I've got a new place to be filming these updates. Mason is just watching Planet Mason things. Yeah, it makes sense. He is Mason.
The best part of the video is when, as a final series of the video is when it like reverses.
Yeah. Yep, definitely. And then the description of that video, Planet Mason will be back soon or whatever. We can't get spoilers over on this channel. You know what? The playlist to Planet Mason will be in the description if you want to go see what we're talking about. But, yeah, this is looking pretty charger friendly. What are you, so you're just watching Planet Mason?
Yeah, I'm totally watching Planet Mason.
Let me see. What are you watching? Okay, you're looking in the playlist. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
We're not.
Accidentally turned Mason into a planet.
You're watching a video instead of a video.
So, yeah, I'll just make a few videos leading up to it. Oh wait, it stopped. Alright, so I'm pretty bored right now. So,
do you want me to play the full song?
please don't. Anyways, I'm pretty bored right now. So, I'm just going to do a lot of challenges for the editor. So the first one is just do as many beeps as you can.
Also, it has 1,600 views.
Are you serious? I don't
it
think.
has 10 likes now. Yay.
It
actually has 10.
I really don't think this is what I meant by. It's probably more annoying in this video because beep 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 beep, beep, not beep beep beep. All right, so while this annoying video plays, editor, your next challenge is to play as many of those like 2,000 years later things. Oh, that'll sound so stupid.
Oh my god.
2,000 years later, 2,000 years later, 2,000 years later, 2,000 years later.
2,000 years later. 2,000 years later. 2,000 years later. 2,000 years later. 2,000 years later. 2,000 years later. 2,000 years later. 2,000 years later.
That should be the next on Noon's video.
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely should.
You know, I'm gonna make it.
Oh, please don't! No!
Editor, your third challenge is to put as many vine moves into this
Oh, no. Okay, go ahead.
video. And put one major vine boom.
Okay, it's go ahead. I stopped the video before I could say ahead. But I'm stupid.
Oh my god, they're recording. Wait, Jacob. I mean, your third challenge is to put as many. Hi, guys.
We already did the third challenge.
I mean, your fourth challenge is to put as many hi, guys into the video.
Okay, okay, this is the first one. Hoi guys. No, please don't use that. Use this one instead. Hi guys. Hoi 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 guys. This is the worst. This is the worst video ever. Whoa, ba-da-ba-doo, ba-da-ba-da-ba-doo, ba-doo. Ooh. Ooh. What?
What's your favorite video of all the 76 videos?
On makeup?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm just twirling myself in cord.
Why are you twirling yourself in cord?
Ah! This is not a good idea, isn't it?
No.
Why I should not twirl myself in cord, should I?
Don't tell me you're gonna do the.
Oh! Oh!
No!
I'm smiling too much.
You're smiling. I know you're smiling inside.
Yeah, that's the hardest smile inside ever. I can't. Oh my god! Oh my.
If
God.
that released, then that would be the end of the video.
Yeah. You know what? I don't care. Goodbye, guys. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. And goodbye.